Hello all the management lovers, good evening and welcome back to my channel again. So today I am going to talk about relationship of management. Hopefully you like this video, and if you are fast on this channel then just do subscribe and press the bell like button for my upcoming video. So at first I will discuss the reverse marketing. Gave example of buyers adopting a positive stance in their dealing with suppliers and introduce the importance of buyer-seller relationship in market between organization. The industrial marketing and purchasing group developed interview action approach to explain the complexity of relationship management. The reverse marketing is one of the manifestations of the interference of perspective. Both parties may be involved in adaptations to their own process to product technologies to accommodate each other and the change in the activities. The reality of organizational marketing is that many suppliers and buying organizations have been conducting business between themselves for many years. For example, Marks and Spencer has trading relationship with suppliers that stretch back almost 100 years. Such long-term relationship can have significant advantages to both buyer and seller. Risk is reduced by buyers since they get to know people in the supplier organization and know who to contact between problems arise. Communication is thus improved and joint problem solving and design management can take place. Sellers benefit from closer knowledge to buyers' requirements and by gaining the trust of the buyer. So, buyers often gather and pass on the information about market developments that is relevant to the seller's business. Where one of the partners in a relationship has a wide and glowing reputation, the other partner can gain credibility when seen to be working with the more well-known firm. Such as reputational effects can be regarded as a seal of approval that enables a firm to develop further relationship elsewhere in its network. Partners in a business relationship need to be careful that they do not become too dependent on the other party. Dependence can be raised by increasing the number of partners and or by reducing switching costs. Switching costs are those costs associated with the changing a supplier and customer. For example, the switching cost of changing from one computer supplier to another may be very high because of the large capital investment involved. Partners in a relationship should be aware that building up switching costs may increase buyer dependence. The reduced flexibility when considering changing supplier. Close relationship is organizational markets are inevitable as changing technology, shorter produce life cycles, and increased foreign competition place marketing and purchasing departments in key strategic roles. Buyers are increasingly treating trusted suppliers as strategic partners, sharing information and drawing on their expertise when developing cost strategic partners new products. Such partnership can form a strong barrier to entry for competitors wishing to do business with a buying organizations. For example, when an outside supplier's offer involves through a lower cost, higher quality, or even more advanced technology, buying organizations such as Honda, Toyota, and Daimler Chrysler will be their percentage strategic partners. So the marketing implication is the successful organizational marketing is more than the traditional manipulation of the four product, place, promotion, and price. Its foundation rests upon the skillful handling of customer relationship. This had led some companies to appoint customer relationship managers to oversee the partnership and act and communicate and coordinate role of ensure customer satisfaction. So all complex, for example, small companies may not be able to afford the resources needed to make such process work. Actually, relationship in management is really very necessary for a management system, and this is actually how works. I explained and defined to you. Hopefully you can understand these concepts very clearly. So see you in the another video with another classes. Until that time, stay connected and see you again with a new topic. Goodbye, my dear all students.